Good morning, families. I know this transition into Schoology could be a difficult one, but we're trying to make it as painless for everybody as possible. I just wanted to guide you through how to get into it and all of that to get us started. The best way is to go to ChippewaValleySchools.org, or if you have an iPad or tablet that you're using, you can download the link as well, or the app as well. But in ChippewaValleySchools.org, you go to Student Leaks. Right here, then you go down, and you can't really miss it because there's a big thing right here for Schoology. And just so you know, there is some help here. Here's a basic for students with logins, which you all do have now. If you don't, please let me know. Go to Schoology. Now mine's already logged in because it's me, so I'm going to go ahead and quickly log out. And I'm going to refresh it. And I'm going to go back into it. Sorry about that. And we're here. And now I'm going to use another user. And I am going to use my 10-digit login, which you should have been sent. And if you haven't, please let me know. I am typing in mine. And then it goes at cvs.k12.mi.us. Go next. You go ahead and enter your password, which should be 2 numbers followed by 3 letters. And it should say sign in. Now, if you're new to it, it might ask you, hey, do you want to save this forever? That's your choice. I'm going to say no for now because, I don't need to save it. Then you're going to go to courses. Anything you need from me is right here. There's lots of things that say my name, but don't worry about it. The one from me is here. Now here is art with Miss Schultz. So she has things in there for you. Music from Miss Smith. She has things in there. Miss McAlpine has things in there, as well as Mr. Skelsey. But I'm just going to take you to mine. You're going to click on Miss Theeks. There's a welcome letter, and then it says week of 4/20. Actually, I should. And you're going to click on that. Then I have folders: Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, extras, and positivity project. Now next week there'll be a Monday and Tuesday folder, of course. I have organized these so it is helpful for you if you want to do a routine. But again, if you do things at your own pace, if you do Mondays things on Tuesdays or whatever, that is okay. This is just how I'm setting it up. It's not due dates, but I just thought I'd help create a routine. You click here, and these are all of the activities for the day. And like, for example, this one, it has you go ahead and do some math worksheets, and it might have you download them. They will show up here. Now, you don't have these worksheets at home, so you can just write the answers in your notebook. Just that I had left for you. If you want to get back to Schoology, you get right there. And this is easy to toggle back and forth. You can go to week of again. Extras is things that your child can do if they are done. They're all right there as well. Positivity project, they can go ahead and do that as well. I'll be giving you some more helpful hints later, but please reach out if you need help. This was just a quick intro on how to log in. I know this is going to be a learning curve for myself as well as the parents and the students, so I'm here to support you the best I can. Please do not hesitate to let me know if you need any help. Thank you so much, and we will see you on Schoology.